Welcome all to this session of the channel. Let us learn about types of weathering. Please follow the previous video if you want to know more about weathering. Weathering is the process of breaking down of rocks, soil and minerals at or near the Earth's surface through physical, chemical or biological means. How is weathering different from erosion? Erosion is the process by which soil and rock particles are worn away and moved elsewhere by wind, water, or ice. Weathering breaks down rocks in their original place. There are three types of weathering: mechanical or physical weathering, chemical weathering, and biological weathering. Mechanical or physical weathering is the breakdown of rocks into smaller pieces without altering their chemical composition. Freezing, thaw weathering or frost wedging, exfoliation weathering, thermal expansion, abrasion and impact, and salt weathering are types of mechanical weathering. Frost becomes a wedge and causes mechanical weathering. Water freezes and cracks in rocks, and the expansion of the ice wedges the rock apart. This is very common in areas where temperature fluctuates to the freezing point. Rocks are worn down by friction and impact when they collide with each other. High-speed winds, which carry pieces of sand, have the capacity to break down the rocks. Moving water causes abrasion when particles in water collide and bump against one another. Exfoliation weathering occurs when rocks formed deep underground are uplifted and the overlying material is eroded. The pressure release causes outer layers to expand and peel off in sheets. Rocks expand when heated and contract when cooled. Repeated cycles, especially with different minerals expanding at different rate, cause cracking and breaking. Salt weathering occurs when saline solutions enter rock cracks and evaporate, leaving behind salt crystals. These crystals grow and expand with temperature changes, exerting pressure that breaks the rock. Weathering occurs when the breakdown of rocks happen due to the chemical changes in the rock. Climatic conditions such as temperature and precipitation accelerate the rate of chemical reactions. One of the key processes of chemical weathering is carbonation. Carbon dioxide from the air dissolves in rainwater and forms carbonic acid. This acid reacts with rocks and dissolves the carbonated minerals in rocks. Another key process of chemical weathering is hydrolysis. Water reacts with minerals in rocks to chemically alter them, breaking them down into new compounds such as clay, minerals, and soluble salts. Oxidation is another key process of chemical weathering. Oxygen reacts with minerals in rocks, particularly iron-bearing minerals, causing them to weaken and crumble. Iron, a commonly known mineral, becomes red or rust color when oxidized. Another process of chemical weathering is solution weathering. Minerals are dissolved directly in water. This process is mostly effective in rainy climates where soluble minerals like sulfate and nitrates are leached away. Biological weathering refers to weathering caused by plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms. Microorganisms like bacteria, mosses, algae, and lichen grow on rock surfaces, forming weak acid that can convert some minerals to clay, making the rock more exposed to weathering. Wedging and burrowing by Organisms like termites, earthworms, and rodents also expose new surfaces to chemical attack and promote penetration of air and moisture. Plant roots exert tremendous pressure as they grow into cracks, mechanically breaking rocks apart. Decomposition of plant and animal matter also creates carbonic, humic, and other acids that boost decay and solubility of some elements. Human activities play a significant role in biological weathering. Human activities like plowing and cultivating land disturb vegetation cover and accelerate weathering. Construction activities like road building, mining also cause weathering. Thank you all for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel.